So now let's see how we can reference data from another file inside of Google Sheets. So over here you can see that I have a Google Sheet with the data and I got another sheet here opened up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to import out data from this sheet to this sheet by using the import range function. So I'm going to go around over here and type in equals to start the function, and I'm going to type in the import right here, and then select import range. So once I do that, I'm going to add in double inverted comma right here. And then over here, I'm just going to copy this out. So I'm just going to copy this thing out. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go to another sheet right here and paste it out right here, just like this. So once I do that, I'm going to press comma, and then I'm going to add in the cell reference. So I'm going to go around over here, and then let's go around over here onto this sheet. I'm going to press equals. I'm not actually adding in any formula onto this sheet, but I just want to know what I'm going to type. So I'm just going to go to shopping list, and then I'm going to reference this. So this is what I have, and then I'm going to copy this out right here. I'm just going to copy. I'm going to go to another sheet right here, and then I'm going to use inverted comma, close it out, and there you go. Press enter, and what happens is that now this data right here is referenced out in this cell, as you can see right here. If you are using like a reference for like a Google Sheet in another person's data, then you might have to request the permission first over here, then you'll be able to see it. And similarly, you can go around over here. I'm going to copy and paste the import range. And if I were to press B3 right here, and the other data will load up, as you can see. So I can go around over here, and if I were to change this, so this is PlayStation and Game Boy, but if I were to go around over here onto shopping list 2 right here and change out, let's say I'm going to say play right here, and I can go around right here, then if I were to go around and wait for a bit, you can see that it changes into play as per the reference from this Google Sheet right here. And that is how you can reference data from another file using import range option. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.